Hi guys, so it's my birthday. I'm here taking some pictures with my balloons. Quarantine birthday, listening to me some Skilly Bang.
Believe in yourself, just believe in yourself. You gotta make a move when it gets to come true.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going on a road trip with my girls. Yes, it's gonna be another winter activity trip with me and my females this weekend. I want you guys to tune in and watch what we got in store. I want you guys to see us living our best lives in Canada, trying to get through COVID together and trying to have a little fun for my birthday. Last week was my birthday. Yeah, big up myself. Turn big 37 pound owner. Yes, blessings upon blessings shall continue to flow on me. Anyway, stay tuned. I gotta pick up some stuff from the grocery store. Gotta go to the bakery and all that fun goody stuff. I have a whole bunch of stuff packed up and ready to go. And I'll see you guys soon. Ciao. I'm gonna miss you, K-Mac, baby. Mama gonna miss you for the weekend. Oh. Yay, again. I'm so excited and I cannot hide it. I have to get sandwich stuff for tomorrow. Me and 2 croissants. Hey guys, so I'm here with Ty. We're gonna just eat our food, Harvey's of course, before we head on to this journey. You know, I gotta fill my belly before I do this long trip, so we'll arrive there about 5 o'clock. Everybody else should be up in their car and on their way heading there right now. This little road trip gonna be fun. We got fun stuff planned tonight, and we're gonna see you on the hill, maybe. Well, yeah, you'll definitely see me on the hill tonight. We're gonna do some fun tubing. The lighting sucks right here. It's so bright outside, it's ridiculous. Like, it's +2. Grateful for the +2 because -10 is not what I want to deal with. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Lady Ty. You know.
nigga used to have me where I'm from, tell them bank here, nigga, but the herb my
Snow tubing. Yes! You know, say God bless this one. Okay, call that girl. Hey, we here. You videoing me? Oh my god, it's been on the whole time. Nikki, where are you?
I'm walking to the guest services, so I don't know where the Tubin
No,
place is.
Tubin, come all the way like up.
Like to the end?
Yeah, to the end, and you'll see the sign says Tubin, and it shows an arrow to Tubin.
Tell her
We just parked there.
Tell her like where a dead end is? Like where
Yeah,
the dead end is?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I know where the dead end is. I drove up there already.
Yeah, and the sign, it says Tubin.
Where the dead end is. It's like a lot.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me tell Tanisha.
I did, I just called her and told her, because I passed her on the way, and I told her to turn around and come up.
Okay.
Okay, see you. Bye.
So we're here at Tubin at our final destination, day 1, activity number 1. Gonna check that off our list. Ty's outside the car, put on her snow pants. These girls are gonna pull up here and park, and then we're gonna hit those slopes.
Where's Junior?
We're gonna take those slopes parked up somewhere around here, so I'll call him and Susie and see where they are and tell them let's go.
All right.
Alrighty.
Is she tobogganing or not?
She's gonna go Tubin.
Okay, if she is, then yeah, she's gonna be hot.
Girl, you're gonna be hot, Ty says.
Okay, fine. I'll just put on my snow pants.
Yes. We gonna do this. We're lazy at.
He's following me now.
Perfect.
Potholes in this fucking driveway.
Yeah, man.
All
Tell
the amount of money they collect from people they can't smooth the driveway.
them again, Susie. Tell them.
My poor car. Brook. Okay, so I'm going up the horseshoe valley. Up. Whoa. Up now. Okay.
Yeah. So you just gotta find parking up here.
Okay. Oops.
Alright. We gonna do this. So we here. Ready to get this tubing on and popping. Just printed off our ticket. Yeah. Wait for everybody else to, you know, find their parking spot and make it their way all the way up here. But yeah, it's lit. Look at that hair. Too bad they're sold out. I can't come here to ski tomorrow, but I got another beautiful site for you. Here.
No, together. Kind of together.
Nikki, show off the outfit to it. Black and white, black and white. New Year's party this. Yes, yes, spin a roll. Hey, hey, Nikki does touchdown.
Ready?
Hey, this is Tysha, guys. Follow her on her blog, guys. Follow her. We're hauling our shit up. Don't lose your gloves. Come on, let's go. It's just us, people. It's just us. Let's go. I want to say something, but it might not be appropriate. Watch the slippery ice. Hi. The carpet. Woo, bomba. Break it down, break it down. Ooh, break it down. What are you doing? Bomba Club. Ready for this? I broke. I popped your tube and cherry. Pop that, pop that. This time, we got more people. Hey, who's the last one? Hey, watch out. Group large. The group grew. The beginning of the group. Hey. Have you ever done this before, Marissa? No. You gonna love it. Nikki, ain't she gonna love it?
That man's like bouncing on ice.
This is the crew. Lizzie. Waves to my channel. Wait, say hi. It's crew. We gang out here. We doing this. We doing this. Tight on the phone. We doing this. We brave heart.
And I'm recording this shit this time. You know, I follow time.
Straight?
How did I go last time?
How do you went straight?
I went straight. I started, end up turning. It's okay. I can go down like this. Woo!
Oh, do it like at the same time?
Yeah.
No, sorry, we can't do that
Hold
tonight.
on to each other's feet.
We can't do it tonight. We can't do it tonight.
Oh, okay. At the bottom they said we could. So.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know for that. Did you guys, Bond? Did you guys say that people could go twos?
No, just singles.
Topless or bottomless?
Okay, ready?
Okay, Tysha, going on this row with me. Okay, come, my friend. We're all going together.
Okay.
Who's over there? Devontae, you ready? Okay,
ready?
let's rock. Woo! Bomba clot! Woo! Holy shit! Yeah, baby! I'm doing this, motherfucker! Yeah! Oh my god, that was wild. Marissa! You did it, girl! You're live! I've fallen and I can't get up. You did it, girl. You did it. Wasn't that amazing? Wasn't that amazing? I'm just trying to catch my life again.
Your legs be facing me if you go backwards.
Okay, so this way?
Yeah, just like that.
I did spin in there, down there.
Don't be scared.
Wait, well, let me hold on. Look up. Okay.
Yeah, all set. Wait, am I good?
Go! We're losing. Yeah, bitch. So Susie's here, guys. This is our washroom.
Did you want things to warm up the lasagna?
Yeah, it could go in the oven. Whoever needs to warm stuff up could go ahead and warm it up. We're washing the sheets and stuff. The kitchen, you know, when you got ladies going, just arrived.
Taylor, are you still up? You want to come hang out?
Chef. DJ. Sorry, Ush. Okay, Miss Ty, okay.
How do you do it? Oh, you're joining in, yeah. I already had a shot. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm doing it again. So, salt.
We got 2 extra cups.
Sorry.
On the line. That's ready.
So, it's 6 shots up.
Lick shots up. Cheers. Yay. So, licks.
Yummy.
Yeah, guys, come on. Tequila shots. Let's get it going. We got Nikki washing pots. Got it. You're very domestic.
Right? Wifey this year.
Wifey. Yes.
Nobody bless the food? Oh no.
God bless you.
God bless the food and everyone
This
that
food is great. Yeah?
Amen.
Amen.